Relationships Australia Victoria is committed to gender equality.
At the footy club, like having equal opportunity, access to resources and just being treated fairly around the club.
I'd say inclusiveness towards women, making sure they feel welcome and comfortable in the football environment.
It shouldn't be the boys are up here and the women's are down here. We deserve to have the same opportunities as a male or a non-binary person, and
we're both there for the same thing and the same goal. Yeah. So we can do it all together. It makes it easier.
Yeah.
I think for me it's just everyone having the same opportunities to perform well or have fun, so same grounds, facilities, training nights, physios. No, it doesn't matter. We both want to go out and play just as much as each other. We both want to win a premiership just as much as each other. The fact that we're playing a girls' team or a boys' team doesn't really change the fact that we want to play footy.
I think our club's definitely had a lot of progress over the last few years. One of our club focus is one club, so we really just put a lot of focus into the women's side to make them feel included.
Every now and then we'll do a one club training session, which is really good and it's really beneficial, and I think everybody gets amongst it, and that's at the end of the day all you want to see is everyone getting around each other and supporting each other.
I think it's really good that we train on the same oval and we have the same oval for our home matches, which is really nice.
I feel like it's, as much as it's good for the girls, it's also good for the boys. Just having the girls around, it kind of just levels us out a little bit, makes us a little bit more accountable for how we're acting around the club. The club is now 100 years old, and for the majority of that, almost 90 years, there wasn't a girls' team. But now the girls' team's come on board, more people at the club who want to get involved, the better the club is.
You know, as a woman, it can be quite an intimidating environment to be able to, speak up for change and things like that. I like what Connor said. I think it is up to the men's team and the administration to actually make it an environment where women feel comfortable to be able to express themselves if things need to be changed.
I think years gone, footy clubs are very masculine environments where some things can go wrong occasionally, but having girls there and boys all together, it's just like the real world and no different between the footy club or at work.
And it's great to see it grow, but there's so much more to do and there's so much more growing to be done.
Yeah, we just have to not be complacent with the progress that's been made already and keep going forward.